Hey everyone, hey, today we're going to go ahead and jump into a fantastic duo that's going to revolutionize your outdoor adventures. Hell, and your indoor adventures. And grid living. Okay, we're talking about the SetPower RV45S portable freezer and the PG216 portable power station that you might want to take a look at with it. Now, if you're into overlanding, car camping, van life, or just need a reliable portable refrigeration, like for your workshop, which I really like it for, home theater, and more. Hey guys, so go ahead and stick around. You're really going to want to see this. We're going to go over it, and I think you're going to be surprised because I know I was. Hey, but first I just want to thank all the people that have been subscribing. You are fantastic. You are the ones. You are the love of my life. Hey, I do appreciate it though. I really do. And I also love when you give it a thumbs up, and that's when YouTube says, hey, let's go take a look at this guy. Okay, that's how you can support this channel and others. I do appreciate it. Hey, share it too. Anyways, hey, I talked to these guys and I didn't get the discount for me as I did for you. So you're going to really want to stick around for this one. Hey, first up, let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, guys. This is the SetPower RV45S. Now, this isn't just a cooler, okay? This is a 47-quart powerhouse designed to keep your food and drinks perfectly chilled, or even frozen, without a single bag of ice. That's right, no more soggy sandwiches either. Let's go ahead and go over the key feature of this RV45S. Now, like I said, this is no ice needed, okay? This unit functions as an ice-cold fridge with a strong compressor, truly eliminating the need for ice. Now, it cools down fast, okay, when plugged in. It can drop the internal temperature by 32 degrees in just about 15 minutes. And we put it to the test. Here we go. We have this. It's a temperature gauge. We will put inside here when we turn this on. And let's just see how long it takes. So we'll go ahead and time it and find out. Now, temperature range, you've got precise controls with that, with an adjustment cooling range of 0 to 50 degrees. Now, the dual power source on this is really super versatile. Anyways, it runs on both 12 volt, 24 volt DC for your vehicle, and 110, 120, which have you, for your home standard outlets. Both cables are included. Now, these are the cables that come with it. This comes where you plug it into the wall. This is a cigarette lighter adapter. What you do is you go and plug that in like that. And this one like that. It's that simple, guys. That lights this thing off and you're off and running. Now, this is a cord I usually use most because I have all these set about. But this one here, you go ahead and plug this into your cigarette lighter in your car and it keeps you cool. Okay, we're going to go ahead and leave this plugged in at the moment. It's going to go along with the next test. Now, efficiency modes. It offers both max mode for rapid cooling, consuming about 60 watts of power, and the eco mode for energy savings. Now, that's about 45 watts. Which is perfect for conserving battery life when you're out off grid somewhere.
Wow. Yeah, that cooled off in here a lot more than I thought it was gonna.
Like I mentioned earlier, this is an open chest design with a single temperature zone. Now, in the interior, it boasts a durable metal liner, and it has thick insulation in the lid and walls, 2¼ inches thick, as a matter of fact. Ensures excellent temperature retention. One thing I do like is the handles. Now, these are spring-loaded, all-metal handles built in to last and prevent pinching. I like that when it goes down instead of hanging, or you try to grab it and it pinches your hands or what have you. So this is as far up as it's going to go when you're carrying them. Now, inside, you're going to go and find a bright LED light so you can find those libations when it's dark out, and 2 handy wire baskets for organization and protecting the metal liner. The control panel is very user-friendly with temperature display, compressor indicator, and adjustable battery protection settings, low, medium, and high, to safeguard your power source.
So here you can go ahead and set this to mid. You can set it wherever you want, battery protection wise. If you go to low, it could run out all the way before you're all done. We do have a max and minimum set, which I'm going to leave it on max for this test. What we're going to do, okay, we're going to go ahead and, oops, libations, that'd be about 34.
Now, dimensions and the weight, okay. I'd say it is a little on the heavier side than it would be a regular ice chest, but, you know, put a bag of ice on an ice chest, on a big ice chest like this, it's going to be close. I mean, it's a very manageable 46.3 pounds. Dimensions are approximately 27.3 inches long by 16 inches wide and 18.8 inches high. It has a pretty good footprint for an ice chest and so forth. Now, power consumption, lab data and real world, okay? The lab data suggests that 0.689 kilowatt hours per 24 hours. Now, our testing showed at 72 degrees ambient temperature, it pulled 174 watt hours over 24 hours, averaging 7.25 watts. So it's real close. At 85 degrees ambient temperature, it used 364 watt hours over 24 hours, averaging 15.2 watts. It's efficient, guys. In an outdoor test with temperatures ranging from 70 to 93 degrees, it averaged around 12.9 watts over 24 hours. This thing is seriously efficient, especially for like a portable refrigerator, guys. Now, warranty on this. Now, the SetPower company stands behind their product with a 3-year warranty on the compressor, a 1-year warranty on all the other parts. So they do stand behind it, and their customer rating is really good. Actually, I mean, I did a lot of chatting with them about this when we started to make sure that they answered all my questions and so forth to give to you. Now, their customer rating on this particular box, it boasts a 4.91 out of 5.0 based on their website. Okay, now guys, hey, let's talk about the battery power station. Now, to truly unleash this RV45S's potential, especially in extended trips, you're going to want to need a reliable power source. This bad boy right here. It really is a neat setup. This is optional, of course. I just think this is really cool, and that's where the SetPower PG216 portable power station comes into play. Okay, let's go and talk about what this thing does and all that. This compact unit packs a serious punch with 216 watt hours of lithium-ion battery power. Yes, it's cool. It's light too. 3.74 pounds. Sorry to use these technical terms like 3.74 pounds. It's incredibly easy to toss this into your bag or on your vehicle or something. A really cool feature is its magnetic design, allowing it to securely fasten to metal surfaces. Super handy for keeping it stable in your vehicle or on metal camp tables, okay? This is really cool, guys. You can set this on the front, on the back, whatever you like. I put it on the back. But here you can go ahead and just plug this dude in right here. And now you got power to your unit. Now, fast recharging. Now, this dude has some fast recharging, okay? It supports 3 quick charging methods. Solar panels, household AC plugs, or your car's DC cigarette lighter. Capable of full charge in just 3 hours, which is pretty awesome. Now, it is equipped with a 1 Type-C 5-volt 3-amp, 1 USB-A 5-volt 2.4 amp, and a DC socket 13.3 volts at 10 amps max. Now, with a maximum output of 100 watts, allowing you to power up to 3 devices simultaneously. That's a hard one to say when you're old. Just kidding. Now, you can charge this power station while simultaneously powering your devices. Simultaneously. Okay. Anyways, I know what you're thinking. Okay, refrigerator runtime. When this thing is fully charged, okay, the power station can power the SetPowers. That's a lot of powers. 15.8 to 37 quart refrigerators for 8 to 10 hours. Perfect for, keeping that RV45S running. All right. Now the cycle life on these batteries, okay, this ain't too bad. It is designed for longevity. About 1,000 plus or minus charge and discharge times. Now this one here, this comes with a 12-month warranty. So you can buy this dude and you're all set to go. So why are these two a match made in heaven? Now the RV45S gives an exceptional cooling performance and efficiency, while the PG216 ensures that you will have power to run it for hours on end, even when you're far from that power outlet, guys. Now the combination means fresher food, colder drinks, libations, and more comfortable adventures whenever you go. Now this may surprise you. My thoughts on this was I would never buy one of these, even at this price. I can't tell you how wrong I was. I'm not kidding you guys. We really like this. Like I said, I never thought I'd buy one, but here I am. This has everything you never thought you needed, okay? Now I use this thing everywhere, okay? Mostly in the workshop for that cold, tasty beverages I like. But when we go camping, guys, I mean, we have a fridge in the RV that just isn't big enough. When camping like that, we just throw the dude in the back of the truck and we just plug it into the cigarette lighter right there. We also take it with us to Costco. Now we have to drive to another town to hit up a Costco run. And we buy a lot of meats and stuff. And with the temperatures hitting over 100 degrees, this RV45S really comes in handy. You can drive to Costco, plug it in, go and do your shopping, come out, and it's ready to accept frozen goods. Now we are genuinely impressed with the build quality, performance, and value of both the SetPower RV45S and the PG216 portable power station, what they have to offer. Now, if you're looking to upgrade a portable cooler or power setup, definitely check these out. And as always, I always put the links in description for my viewers and get a great discount that's good for everything that they have in case you're looking for something a little different. Like I said, they have split units, a freezer on one side and a refrigerator on the other. Now, whatever your taste is, they probably have it. Hey guys, let us know in comments, guys, if you own either one of these, okay? Let us know, let others know what your thoughts are on it, or if you have any questions. Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on good stuff like this. It really supports the channel. It only takes a moment of your time, and it doesn't cost you a dime. I appreciate those who take a minute to do that. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Remember, keep smiling. Life is good. You just got to make it that way.